Hello, and welcome to this update video about the game I'm currently making. So, as you can see, this game is going to be called The Lost Maps. I know you can't see that, but basically it will be a medieval RPG game where you have three elements to choose from, but it's realistically three types of things. So, law, and that is called the Order of the Heavens, and will be the air element. There will be the ravaged, which are the fire demons, they control the fire, and then there are the sentinels, which control nature and water kind of thing. So that'll be really cool. Here is the basic main menu which has been done so far. This in the middle is just to represent where the logo will go. You've got your menus down the side, and you can also see the smoke comes across like Skyrim. So really simple. The quit button does work, but it's in Unity, so it won't work at the moment. The options doesn't do anything yet because we haven't put any of that in, but if you click play game, it'll show a loading screen and load, so you just saw it really quickly and then go off. So here is the basic character creation. It's far nowhere completed yet, but this is where the main character will go, roughly here, and you can type in a name, so YouTube. You can click gender and choose which gender you want to be, so female. Race, choose what you want to be. There will be more races, different. We're hoping to add things what's not been in gaming before, so maybe a different type of gender, so male, female, dwarven or something, I don't know, something new. So and then you can choose your voice, what you want, so we'll add loads of different ones and you'll be able to hear it, and that'll represent your character. So at the top you've got buttons, you've got the two arrows at the end and the beginning, which moves it across or back. The next one is your head armor, the bottom one is your body and legs and arms armor. The final one, well, the next one is what skills you'll have, so you'll choose your basic stats, so like how fast you are, your strength, your speed, stuff like that. And then the last one is which fraction you'll be, so will you be Order of the Heavens air, will you be the Ravaged fire, or will you be the Sentinels nature and water. So you click next again, and have you finished? It's not fully finished yet, but yeah, you click it, loads again. There's loads of different screens and they are temporary, but then we go into the game. So this is a beta to where it might be kind of thing. So you've got your, I can't do it, put that up and pause it. So there you can see, okay then. Well, down here you've got your buttons, so these will be your action buttons, and they'll be more like items, armor, stuff that you can find in a role-playing game, so quick menus. You'll have your quick slots down here, a map, and then if I put it back on, you'll have your name up here, so like your character's name, health, armor, and picture of them. This thing I've put up here is your inventory. You put it up with I, and you can see it's draggable, it's really easy to do. And the game's controls are WASD so far. You can rotate with the mouse, and that's how you move around. So you move sideways, and you can get around really easily. So it's kind of Grand Theft Auto on the PC style, Skyrim-ish third-person style. So, different items we can pick up. Well, first, this is a basic shop. It doesn't fully work yet, but you can see the guy will walk backwards and forwards, and we're hoping to replace him eventually. But yeah, that'll be a shop, so you can walk in, sell stuff. So we walk out, and this first one is head armor, so we can collect it, and it adds it to our inventory, as you can see. And you've got an equip button, which is not done yet. You've got weapons you can dual wield, so these are just a basic crossbow, so we'll select two of them. You've got wood, which can collect iron, stone, and apples, just for now. If you watch my Unity tutorial series, you know this looks very common. The border around the edge is just testing, I'm just messing with things. So if I go to I, in fact if I go to the top first and press I, you can actually equip the weapons to your left or right, so left, right, and when you run out that's it, and they'll work, and you can fire. They fire apples at the moment, yeah, but only one fires, fixing that soon. You can also attach the weapon head armor, so if you click equip, it attaches it and it'll follow you around, so you're attaching armor. And the other things, you click it and it'll show you details about it, and you can drop it if you like, and it'll drop it in front of you, and you can pick it back up. And if you listen quietly, it's actually got sound. And if I hold shift, I can sprint, and then control to crouch. So as you can see, the crosshairs in the middle, and it works really well. If you press E, you'll bring up your equipment screen. It's far from done yet, it's all testing phase. You've got your left weapon, your right weapon, and your head. So if you click them, and unequip it, unequip, and unequip. The head is not complete, that was still in beta, but it's so really a lot of bugs. It's very basic and in the beginning stages, but it's what it will basically be. All this has been covered in my Unity tutorial series online. You can't really do much else than that. If you click that, you can basically use the controls, but this is just the first ever update video. I'm going to do one of these every week on a Monday, so hopefully weekly you'll be able to see my progress. The Lost Maps, it'll be out soon. It's for a college or uni project, depending which country you're from. Thank you for watching. It's not just me who's doing this, it'll be teammates, so when September comes you'll see it get more and more growth to it, models and everything. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.